To our shareholders and investors, thank you very much for your support. I'm Narushima, President of Celsys. For the current fiscal year, we have revised our earnings forecast upward and are now on track to achieve the targets of our medium-term management plan, 1 year ahead of schedule. In addition, we are increasing the annual dividend from 36 yen to 50 yen, further strengthening both our growth and shareholder returns. In this video, I will highlight the key points of our second quarter financial results announced in July 2026, along with our outlook and our approach to shareholder returns. First, let me talk about our second quarter financial results. Second quarter performance was strong, with both revenue and profit increasing year over year. We had previously revised our initial forecast upward, and we achieved higher revenue and profit compared to that forecast as well. Our most important KPI, Clip Studio Paint subscription ARR, exceeded 6 billion yen, representing growth of approximately 30% year over year. We will continue to focus on accelerating subscription revenue growth. I'd like to explain our growth strategy for our flagship product, Clip Studio Paint. We will continue to focus on growing subscription sales by strengthening two main initiatives. First, we will accelerate subscription growth by strengthening our marketing efforts in emerging countries such as Southeast Asia and Latin America, where growth has continued at approximately double the previous year's rate. Second, we will do this by enhancing features for the Android platform, which has continued to grow at 1.7 times the previous year's rate. In light of our strong performance through the second quarter, we are revising our full-year earnings forecast upward. With this revision, we now expect net sales to exceed 10 billion yen for the first time in our company's history. We also anticipate profits to increase by more than 20% compared to our initial plan, with an operating profit margin of 37% or higher. We also expect ROE, one of our key management indicators, to exceed 50%. These revised forecasts have been prepared using the same methodology as our initial forecast and leave room for further upside. Should our business continue to perform better than expected, we will promptly update our guidance as appropriate. With this upward revision to our full-year forecast, we now expect to achieve the net sales and profit targets set out in our midterm management plan, 1 year ahead of schedule. As our business continues to perform well, we do not currently expect to make any significant changes to our business strategy or key initiatives for 2027, the final year of the plan. However, in light of this fiscal year's performance, when we review the plan next year, we intend to substantially raise our financial targets, including net sales and profit, for the final year of the plan. We manage our business to focus on growth investments and shareholder returns while avoiding holding excessive cash. While share buybacks and dividends are both forms of shareholder return, this fiscal year we are placing greater emphasis on dividends, taking into account our free float adjusted market capitalization. Our initial dividend forecast for this fiscal year was 38 yen, already exceeding last year's 36 yen. We have now decided to increase the interim dividend by a further 2 yen and add a 10 yen commemorative dividend to the year-end dividend in celebration of our 35th anniversary. As a result, the annual dividend will increase by 12 yen year over year to 50 yen. This will mark our 11th consecutive annual dividend increase. Regarding dividends, we do not currently manage our dividend policy based on a fixed payout ratio. Instead, our objective is simply to deliver steady dividend growth every year. As the creator economy expands globally, Celsys will continue to work toward becoming a platform company for the creative industry. We will continue to manage the company while maintaining the same perspective as our shareholders. Thank you very much for your continued support.
ありがとうございました。